this video, we are going to solve one of the easiest challenge on OWASP Top 10 Try Hack Me room. So it is a insufficient logging and monitoring room. So it is task 30. Let's extend this to learn more about this. So when web applications are set up, every action performed by the user should be logged. Logging is important because in the event of an incident, the attacker's action can be traced. Once their actions are traced, their risk and impact can be determined. Without logging, there would be no way to tell what actions an attacker perform if they gain access to particular web application. The beginner impact of this include, so they have given multiple impacts. So you can simply go through this theory part and learn more about this. Now, if your server is not monitoring any activity, malicious activity, then there may be multiple types of attack. Like attacker can perform brute force as well as DOS attacks on your system. So it is very necessary to enable monitoring on your system. And if there is any malicious activities going on, then server should inform you as well as block the particular IP of our target machine. So first of all, we will download the task file into this and analyze that file. So into this task file, you can see there are multiple requests sent from multiple IPs. So in the beginning, there are few IPs which have status code of 200, means it's okay. The users are easily able to log into that system. That's why it's showing status code as a okay. Now in the last, you can see there are status code as a 401. Okay, so for 401 is for unauthorized user, means the particular IP is trying to log in via multiple usernames. Like you can see it is unauthorized and it is trying to log in from same IP to multiple users like admin, administrator, anonymous, root. Means this is a attacker and he is trying to brute force username of our target machine. So we can simply copy this IP, and our first task was what IP address the attacker using. Now we already know the IP, simply paste that here and click on submit. Thereafter, second task is what kind of attack is being carried out. So as we know, the attacker is trying to brute force the username as well as password. In the task list, you can see he is trying to brute force usernames. So here our answer will be brute force. So simply enter our answer and click on submit. So our answer is correct. So this is how you can solve insufficient logging and monitoring challenge on OWASP Top 10 room. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you are interested in learning ethical hacking, bug bounty hunting or penetration testing, you can simply enroll into my course. I have given the course link to the description. You can just check it out. Thank you for watching.